Presenting Canon EOS 1500D 24.1 digital SLR camera in the color black. This camera comes in two style variants, 18 to 55 mm with 55 to 250 mm lens and EF-S 18 to 55. It also comes in two combo variants of camera with black headphone and camera with tripod and filter. This camera is equipped with APS-C CMOS sensor along with 24.1 megapixel to capture all the perfect shots. With ISO of 100 to 6400 sensitivity range, this camera captures grain-free pictures even in low light. The Digic 4 Plus image processor along with 9 autofocus points ensure speed and accuracy. You can record full HD video with fully manual control and selectable frame rates. With Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth built-in, you can control the camera remotely and transfer the images as well as the video footages wirelessly. Inside the box, you will find Canon EOS 1500D camera, EF-S 18 to 55 IS2 lens, strap, battery charger, battery pack and 16GB SD card. The camera comes with 2 years manufacturer warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
The new LUMIX G7, the one introducing 4K to everyone. Latest 4K processing and mirrorless technology in a compact and intuitive design, providing touch focus technology with the latest high-speed autofocusing, recording video in stunning 4K resolution. And now with the new 4K photo, you can extract, show and save the perfect frame out of a 4K video sequence easily on the camera. Never miss a perfect moment. The new LUMIX G7, the one introducing 4K to everyone.
Panasonic.
Presenting the Panasonic LUMIX G7 mirrorless camera in black color. It comes with a 16 megapixel micro four thirds sensor with no low pass filter to capture sharp images with a high dynamic range. The superior noise reduction system enables you to capture crisp images even in low light conditions up to ISO 25600. With the Panasonic depth from defocus, DFD and autofocus AF technology, the camera lets you capture fast-moving objects with clarity. The camera records videos at 4K resolution for crisp and sharp details. Using the 4K photo function, you can also extract individual frames from a video sequence filmed at 30 frames per second to capture moments that occur at a split second. Panasonic LUMIX G7 features easy control aperture and shutter settings with the front and rear dials. It also features a high-resolution OLED live viewfinder and rear touch-enabled 3-inch swivel LCD display to give you clear visibility even in bright sunlight.